700-acre fire off Jacks Valley Road threatening structures at 0% containment 7:10 p.m. Update: the fire is threatening structures, and the evacuation notices that have been issued are voluntary, according to Douglas County's site. The cause of the brush fire remains unknown, and it's estimated to be at 700 acres with 0% containment, said Withanee Milligan, Humboldt-Toiyabe Fire Service Public Information Officer. 6:10 p.m. Update: the Douglas County Community and Senior Center is available as an evacuation site. Areas off Jacks Valley Road, including Arcadia Drive, Green Acres Drive, Cherokee Drive and Pawnee Street, have been issued evacuation notices. Residents are urged to leave as quickly and safely as possible. 5:45 p.m. Update: emergency evacuations have started for the Jacks Valley area, according to the East Fork Fire Protection District. The areas of Jacks Valley Road near Arcadia Drive, Green Acres Drive, Cherokee Drive and Pawnee Street are being evacuated. Several neighboring fire agencies are responding. The National Weather Service is reporting wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the area. A wildfire has closed Jacks Valley Road near US 395 between Carson City and Genoa, according to the Nevada Department of Transportation. The fire is burning west of Highway 395 and south of Carson City near Jacks Valley Elementary School. Emergency crews have been dispatched to the area. The U.S. Forest Service and the Truckee Meadows Fire Protection